If your package is almost done for months, it's probably a design flaw. You're not waiting because people are slow. You're stuck because early choices created rework. The contract type doesn't fit the work, the evaluation plan invites a protest, or small business input shows up too late. So you keep looping through legal, budget, and reviews with no real progress. Each rework loop can burn weeks or months and push your award date again. That delay raises mission risk, vendor frustration, and the chance of mistakes under pressure. The fastest acquisitions aren't rushed. They're architected to avoid predictable traps. Match contract type to the work. Severable services usually need simpler pricing than cost reimbursable. Pick a vehicle you can actually clear. Outside approvals add invisible months. Keep evaluation criteria defensible. Fewer, clearer factors mean faster scoring and fewer protests. Design small business strategy from day one, before market research and the plan are final. Stress test requirements for definitization, clear deliverables, acceptance criteria, and measurable outcomes. Align funding to structure early, so options and period of performance don't trigger legal rewrites. Socialize the strategy before formal clearance, so clearance confirms instead of negotiates. In cradle-to-contract reviews, most delay stories trace back to one of these 7 decisions. Fixing them up front often saves more time than any process shortcut later. So when your milestone slips, don't just push harder through routing. Ask which speed trap your strategy accidentally built in and redesign before the next loop. Sign up to our newsletter now for all the latest free C2C content. Visit www.cradle2contract.com.